Question number 9. A sum of rupees 600 amounts to rupees 720 in 4 years. What will it amount to if the rate of interest increased by 2%? So here principal amount is given, it is rupees 600, and total amount is given, it is rupees 722. Time is also given 4 years. We can find simple interest with the help of amount and principal amount, and then we can find rate of interest. After that we will increase the rate of interest by 2%, means whatever rate of interest will come, we will add 2% in that. Then we will find the total amount. In that case principal amount will be 600. So first we will find after that we will find simple interest, then we will add that simple interest in the principal. So let's solve. Here principal amount is given, it is rupees 600. Amount is given, it is rupees 720. So from here I can get simple interest. Simple interest is equals to amount minus principal. So 720 minus 600 is equals to 120 rupees. Now time is given, it is 4 years. So we can find rate of interest using formula of simple interest, and the formula of simple interest is equals to SI is equals to PRT over 100. So I have to find rate of interest. So rate of interest is equals to simple interest multiplied by this 100 divided by principal and time. So now we'll put the values. So here simple interest is equals to 120 and it is multiplied by 100. Here principal amount is 600 and time is equals to 4 years. So we can solve this question. 20 with 20 we can cut. So here it is 20, and if I cut it by, so it will come R is equals to 5%. Now it is said, now we have find the rate of interest. Now it is said that what will it amount to if the rate of interest increased by 2%. So now we have to increase this rate of interest. So new rate of interest will become new rate of interest will become 5% plus 2%, because we have to increase this rate of interest by 2%. So new rate of interest will become 7% per annum. Now we have to find total amount. So to find total amount, first we will find simple interest. So simple interest is equals to PRT over 100. Now principal amount is 600. Principal is not changed. Rate of interest is changed. Now rate of interest is 7% per annum, and time is 4 years. So we'll keep time equals to 4 years. Now we will divide this by 100. So we can cut 20 with 20. So it will come 6 7s are 42 multiplied by 4. So it will come 2 4s are 8 and 4 4s are, that is 60. So it will become 168. So from here we can say that simple interest is equals to 168 rupees. We have to find what will be the amount. So we have to find total amount. So total amount is equals to principal plus simple interest. Here principal amount is 600 rupees. So I can write 600 plus simple interest. So simple interest is 168. So if I add this, it will come 768. So total amount will become 768, and 768 is option C. So option C is the correct answer of question number 9.